Okay, so here's the hen gear unit. This one is, I think, the 48-inch model. Okay, and so here, this lifts up, locks the nest, so if you don't want chickens to lay eggs or roost in it, you can lock it at night. That opens up so the eggs are completely covered underneath this flap here. Okay, they're completely out of the sun, out of the heat, and when the hens lay, you can't see it very well, but there's actually this little curtain here, so the egg, when it rolls out of there, it rolls in there, they can't see it no more, so they can't see it, they're not going to access it. They'd have to put their neck completely underneath there to get to it. As you can see, there's no divider. Let me pull this down. There's no divider in the nest, okay? So multiple hens can be in here. This red curtain provides a dark, hens really like darkness. They like to lay in isolation, so it attracts them. They just go in through here, but you can fit, 5 or 6 hens, maybe 10 hens in here all at one time. They can all lay together because it's not compartmentalized. Another thing about this nest is it's reversible, so you can actually close it off on this side, and then actually, if I had a way, the hens could access the nest from inside the coop. Okay, you can switch the side on it, and actually the way the rollout would be out here, but the access would be on the inside of the coop. I don't like that, so I just keep it on the outside, but those are some of the main reasons I chose this. It is more expensive, but it is an investment that you only spend one time, and we've had it for a couple years, and it's just a really good unit. One thing I forgot to mention is the bottom of the nest, which is this kind of astroturf. You can see that it's got holes in it, so the hens are basically laying on air. You can spray this down, wash it down real good. If it's real dirty, it's really super easy to remove. It's just a mat. It comes right out. You can shake it off, clean it off, wash it off, put it right back in. But also because it's got holes in it, they're basically laying on the air, and that prevents their bottoms from getting, the bottom of the hen from getting warm, and that discourages broodiness. So hens will not go as broody as easily on this kind of bottom as they would in a normal nest with material like hay or something in there. They get in here, they lay the egg, they're gone, they never get warmed up. So that's one advantage of having that type of a bottom.